When I was a kid, I used to have to go with my mother shopping. I probably was 4 years old. I went with my mother to the bank to do her banking. You know that was a good thing, that you could help your mother. My father had the store on 32 Oxford Street. A lot of laundrymen in those days don't have an address, so they used the store as their mailing address. My father would help them connect with the bank in Boston to write checks, send back home to China. So I always saw him being in a helpful position. Some Chinese people went to the Boston dispensary on Bennett Street for primary care. I volunteered there as an interpreter. I would go there after school. The social worker there said, "Wow, you should major in social work, become a social worker." That's how I became a social worker. My mother died when I was 8 years old. My father sent me and my sister back to the village. My father's first wife was so kind. She just loved to have younger children because her own 4 children already grown up. They used to say, "How come you never treated us that well?" Although we were not born by her, she was acting as a mother, running the household, entertaining us kids, and always laughed. We couldn't believe that we had so much love. After I returned from China, I was just like returning home. People had welcomed me, and more people helped me. I was able to continue my career. Like when I get jobs from the city health department, they sent me as far out as Tewksbury to talk to those people. They were elderly. Some had been in their facility for many years and lost contact with Chinatown. I remember I had to have an opportunity to write a letter for a man who wanted to send back to China. I felt that so great. He hadn't had anybody help him for so long. I think you're always on the helping mode. Maybe it's for my own self-esteem. I feel good than that more than anything else. Just that good feeling. So when you kept doing it, don't we all want good feelings? If you are doing a lot of positive things, you just didn't have room for doing the other things. In 65 years, I have done a few things, whether you consider them successful or not, but I did work 65 years. I was very fortunate. What else can I do but to be helpful to others?